Why is carbon monoxide dangerous?
because it causes a hypoxic event that could cause you to expire, to kill you, or it could cause permanent brain damage.
Where does carbon monoxide come from?
It comes from gas-fired appliances, or it comes from combustion that is incomplete.
Okay. When you say appliances, what do you mean?
Furnaces, hot water heaters, boilers, combustion engines on motor vehicles, generators are a big one. Um, Anything that requires fossil fuel to operate.
How does a carbon monoxide poisoning happen?
There are two failures in an appliance for there to be a carbon monoxide poisoning. The first failure is the appliance has to be incompletely combusting its fuel. That creates carbon monoxide in the exhaust. But you'll never know that that's happening unless, of course, you have a regular maintenance schedule, unless the carbon monoxide somehow escapes the exhaust vent pipe. And that's the second failure. If the exhaust vent pipe has a breach in it, or if there's a negative pressure condition, not to get too much into the weeds, if it's flowing back out or spilling back out of the front of the appliance, that is the second failure, and that's how you get poisoned.